You can use FRAM non-volatile RAMs, and for the settings RAMs, you can use the FM18W08 in place of the Dallas 1230 and simply put them on an SO28 to DIP adapter. For the calibration RAM, use an adapter PCB to adapt a 28-pin FRAM FM1608 DIP IC to the DS1220. The FM1608 is 4 times bigger in memory. Ground address lines A11 and A12 and rearrange the pinout to suit and program it externally. But let's say you want to use the SMD equivalent, the FM16W08. This is adapting the 28 pin down to the 24 pin. You have to program the chip before you solder it to the board. And this is a programming adapter board. It returns the original SMD pinout back to the original pinout. Lines A11 and A12 are still grounded, but as long as you program from 0 to 7FF, it's job done.